We're going to start today with a 1-minute drill. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Say moon.
Moon.
Now say moon without the
Moon.
Say hot.
Hot.
Now say hot without the
Ought.
Say lock.
Lock.
Now say lock without the
Ock.
Say brush.
Brush.
Now say brush without the
Brush.
Good. Say dry.
Dry.
Now say dry without the
Rye.
Say smile.
Smile.
Now say smile without the
Smile.
Say shrug.
Shrug.
Now say shrug without the
Rug.
Good.
To think about that one for a second.
Say clock.
Clock.
Now say clock without the
Clock.
Say phrase.
Phrase.
Now say phrase without the
Phrase.
Good. Say twin.
Twin.
Now say twin without the
Win.
Good job. All right. Now we're going to start our 3-part drill. And you're going to say the sound of the cards I show you. Okay? And we're just doing the short vowel sounds.
Aw. Ah. G. Mm. O. Mm. E. R. Her. A. J.
Okay, good job. All right. Now we're going to do the auditory drill, and you'll need your sand tray. Okay. And in the sand tray, you're going to write, you're going to spell the sound, underline it, and say the letter, and then say the sound when you underline it, okay? All right, fingers up. B.
B. B. B.
Good. Fingers up. G.
G. G. G.
Good. Fingers up. A.
A. A. A.
Fingers up. Ch. Ch.
Ch. C-H. Ch.
Good. Fingers up. Ah.
Aw. O. Aw.
Fingers up.
U.
Fingers up.
M. M.
Good job. All right, you can clear the sand and set it to the side. All right. We're going to move on to the blending drill. So I hope I have these in the right order. We'll see. Okay, So remember with the blending drill, you're going to point at each card with your finger and then sweep underneath. Point at each card and say the sound and then sweep underneath and read the word.
Okay.
All right, finger up.
G-A-D, God. G-A-D, gad. K-A-D, cad. K-A-T, cat. K-it, kit. L-it, lit. L-it-m, lim. H-it-m, him. R-it-m, rim. R-a-m, rum. R-a-n, run. J-a-n, jun. J-up, jup. J-ip, jip. Ch-ip, chip. Ch-its, chiss.
Good job. All right. All right, now if you'll pick up your, these tools, we're gonna do a skill intensive using these letters, these vowels. So when I say the sound, okay, you're gonna repeat the sound, and when I give you the thumbs up, you're gonna hold up the letter that corresponds with that sound.
Okay.
Okay? Ah,
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 ah.
ah.
Good. All right, we're gonna we're gonna move to the next level. You'll hear a syllable, and you put the say the sound of the letter, and then hold up the letter. Okay.
Okay.
Ob,
Ob,
up,
up,
og,
og,
app,
app,
up,
up,
ag.
ag.
Good. All right. Now we're gonna say a word, just a CVC word, and match it with the sound in the letter. Okay. Hop,
Hawk,
hop.
hop, hop.
What's the sound of that letter?
O, aw,
Good. Say, let's go with bag.
bag,
Good.
a,
Good. Tap,
tap, a,
top,
top, o,
cap.
cap, see, a.
All right. Good job. Let's put those,
C-A-P.
let's put those away.
Okay.
All right. So today we have a new sound, and the sound is. Can you say that sound? Okay. Can you repeat that sound 3 times? Okay, good. Now this is the letter that goes with that sound. This is the letter F. All right. Now can you repeat the sound again 3 times? Good. And the letter F, our key word is fan. Okay, so that will help you to remember it. We're going to make a fan, so it'll help you remember this word. Find a piece of paper here. Now, do you know how to make a fan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're just going to make a paper fan.
Start now.
Mm-hmm. It's okay.
A little crooked.
That's okay. Good. Good job. All right, let's fan it out. All right, now when you hear the sound in a word, I want you to fan yourself.
All right.
Okay, so fan,
Fan,
fin,
fin,
cap, fish,
fish,
make, face.
face.
Good job. All right.
Try to trick me.
I did try to trick you a little bit. All right, let's brainstorm a few words that start with the f sound. So we know fan, right?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Fog,
Fog.
seven cannot. Four,
Four. Let's think of one more. How about fig?
fig, and fish.
Good. All right, can you read these words back to me?
Fan, fog, four, fig.
Good job. All right. Figure out where we are on our lesson. We've done our new sound. We've discussed our key word. We've made our multisensory activity. All right. Now we're going to write the sound in the magic sand 3 times. Okay, so you're going to write it and you're going to say it
Okay.
and the sound. All right, good job. All right, you can erase that. Good job. All right. Let's see. Done that part. All right, now we're going to do some dictation. So you'll need your pad of paper there and your pounding and finger tapping hand for your left hand, right? Because you're right-handed, is that correct? Okay, all right, good. So we're going to, if you can go ahead and open up that. Is it the same on every page? I'm not sure. Does it have all those?
Mhm.
Okay, then we'll start with that front page, then that first page. And if you'll grab your pencil, so you're going to pound the syllable, and then you're going to tap out the sounds, and then write the word.
Okay.
Okay? So the first word is fat.
Fat. Fat.
Good. This next word is fit.
Fit. It. Fit.
Perfect. The next word is fog.
Fog. Fog. Fog.
Good. And then your last word is fig.
Fig. Ig. Fig.
Good job. Let's read those words from this clean copy.
Fat. Fit. Fog. Fig.
Good job. All right, now the last thing we're going to do is just below those words that you've written, I'm going to dictate 2 sentences to you, okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to say each sentence twice, 2 times. You're going to pound the words, not finger tap, just pound the words and then write the sentence.
Okay.
Okay? The fat hog is not fit. The fat hog is not fit.
The fat hog is not fit. The fat hog is not fit.
Good job. All right, I'm going to say the next sentence 2 times, and then you pound it. If you only want to pound it once, you only have to pound it once, but you can do it as many times as you need to. All right, here we go. Mim has fun in the fog. Mim has fun in the fog.
Mim has fun in the fog.
Good job. All right, now can you read those 2 sentences from this clean copy?
The fat hog is not fit. Mim has fun in the fog.
Good job.